Hello everyone, my name is Reena and welcome to my channel Get Guided Learning. In my today's video, we will know that how to convert this data into a pivot table and how to show the contribution percentage by each service group under the one account ID. So, if you notice here that in the account ID, I select one account ID here, apply filter, and you can see here I have four service group under the one account ID. I have the contribution number also, revenue number, that consulting contribution in the revenue is 82,000, outsourcing contribution is 39, software is this, and data analytics. I want that, I want to see the contribution in the percentage here. So this thing we will do by pivot table. So now clear the filter and let's get started with the pivot table. Go to the insert tab, click on the pivot table. Now select a range or a table or a range. So I will just delete this and you can select like this. Although it's always selected, but you can select it if you want. And here it's asking me that you want this pivot table in the existing worksheet or the new worksheet. I see it's a very small data, so let's do it in the existing worksheet. Now location. This is asking me for location. I say D2 and press OK. Now here I have, now let's design this pivot table. So I want account ID should be in the rows, service group also should be in the rows, and this revenue number, because we will do the calculation, so number always go to the value, that's why. And we want one more time revenue number in the value field because we want to show the sum and the percentage also. Yeah. So let's before doing that, yes, let's go to the design tab. Here you will notice that when I click outside of this, we do not have any tab here after the help. Nothing is appearing. Once I click on the pivot table, you will notice that pivot table analyze and design tab appears. So now I will go to the design and I don't want to show this subtotal here, which is showing of each account ID. So go to the subtotal and do not show subtotal. This is all coming from the design tab under the subtotal. Now it's removed. Now I say that you show me the percentage and which will come from here. Click on this drop down, little bit drop down menu here. Go to the value field setting and now I say show my values as, you see here it's saying no calculation, but I want calculation here. So I say percentage of parent row total. Click here and do the number formatting from here also. It's already percentage, but decimal. I don't want to see decimal. So I said 0 and press OK and press again OK. And you see here now we have the contribution percentage also in this. And one more thing I want to do here, that I say, sorry, report layout and go in the tabular form. It's looking better, correct? And now I will go in the report layout again and I see that I say that repeat all item label. These are the item labels here. My account ID, it should repeat. If service group is 4 times, so this should repeat 4 times. Yeah, repeat all item label like this. Yeah. Now, if you want to design it with the color or something, you can just go here and you can just select any color you want. Yeah, I want it to be plain. So, that's how we make the pivot table and we have converted it, the data into the pivot table, and that's how we show the contribution percentage. So I have explained here. Apart from this video, you can check one more video on similar kind of subject on my channel, Get Guided Learning. This is my channel name. Link I have mentioned in the description section. And in this video, I have mentioned how to, in that video, I have mentioned how to get the contribution percentage by using some ifs formula and the percentage formula. So same answer we have there, and this is the same data I used there, and everything is same. Here we just did it by pivot table, just drag and drop, and no formula at all. Yeah, so I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please press on the bell icon also to get my latest updated videos. And till that time, get guided learning and have a good time. Bye bye.